Hey folks! Oh god. How are you all doing? It's starting to rain, can you believe it? Bloody weather up, like spitting. Can handle that. Just gonna head up to Spencer, see if he's about. Try getting hold of him. But it looks like it's raining up there now. Bloody clouds. Bloody clear. Oh, stopped. Gonna be one of them days. And I won't mind. With no trees to hide under. All the leaves are gone. Have to find bridges. Oh, I'm so glad I'm out on the bike. It's such a stress reliever. It really is. Not that I'm stressed. I was just stressed from not riding. I was not happy. And this is the thing now, this weather app. It's saying next week it's supposed to be clear skies. Well, blue skies, no rain, both Saturday and Sunday. Please let that be. Bloody hell, the heat off that then. That was amazing. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, lad. Oh yes, the lights are on green. Oh, it's clear though, the sky over there. God, the Astra's in good nick for a 2003. And it's been garaged. Listening to the drum and bass. Get it, garage. That new Matrix film looks good, doesn't it? Can't wait to see that. Look at the state of this place. It's terrible. I thought that was an indicator on the side of Buzz then. I thought it was going to drive into us. The lights are on. Why are they on during the day? You know, if you'd have said to me, I didn't even know that place was still open. When I was in my 20s, that I'd want to be leaving here, this town, 20 years later, I'd have laughed at you. I can't wait to get going. Oh my god, what's she doing? That's it. Well done. COVID-19 testing. I don't know if the camera will pick it up because it makes everything look far away for some bizarre reason. That billboard over there, that's what they're supposed to be building along here. A bridge over the river. There's a river down the side there. Apartments. I think they said business things as well. Yeah. Just like they were supposed to be knocking Crompton Place down, and then it said in the paper the other day that they've missed out on some levelling up money or something. Didn't get the paperwork in time, so that won't be happening now, I guess. They've ruined this town, they really have. Anyways, I'm going on about depressing. God, his bike sounds super spectacular today. Sounds more bassy than it usually does. This is what I love about biking. Filter, filter, filter. Yes, lad. Maybe it's because he's not been out for the past couple of weeks, it sounds more thingy, more bassy, because I've not had it round me. That sounds good. I'm going to be changing my exhaust next year as well to that one. And the reason is, his pipe's a lot thicker, his downpipe. Well, thicker, what I'm going on about, it's a lot, the diameter's bigger than this. I mean, they both sound the same anyways, but I just prefer the look of it. And plus with this exhaust, as I've said in other videos, where the pipe meets the rear silencer, muffler, whatever you want to call it, the diameter's the way out. So unless you get a load of exhaust putty and then put your exhaust on, you're going to have a gap, which this one's got, unfortunately, whereas Sanjay's, it's a perfect flush fit. So that's why I'm getting it. Plus, like I said, I like the look of it. Oh, it's from Bolton Motorcycles, his bike, up there, where we do our CBTs. Oh, there. Bolton bike. Mine's from Blackburn. Seeing a lot of learner drivers out today, because the weather's nicer. I wonder what the situation is with that now. Are they still backed up because of COVID? Who knows? We're not making it! He was saying as well, Sanjay put a cover on his bike. He's got a metal bike shed thing, and his bike were absolutely wet through. So he had to dry it all off. But yeah, like I said, I put my cover on the wrong way, and the bike was wet through this morning. Where was I heading with that? I've not experienced any rust. What? I've not experienced any rust issues with it. There's no rust on it anywhere. There shouldn't be. Only just over a year old. Oh, I missed you, little friend, yesterday. I was so bored. I can't, as I said before I got this bike and everything, I don't know how I filled my time in at the weekends. And I was thinking to myself last night, all the places that we've been, the things that we've seen, and more importantly, the people that we've met and the friends we've made. It's just been amazing. Said when the weather's bad and I can't go out at the weekend, because it's the only time I go out on the bike at the weekend. I just hate it, I really do, when I can't go out. What's going on here, like? Many police! Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh! I know what it is. I'm not mentioning it. If you want to know, and you're not from Bolton, go on Bolton News. Shame. It was one of my son's friends. Don't bloody nod! Unfortunately. I checked on him last night to make sure he was alright. again, I'm not going to go into it. But he seemed alright. As right as can be. It's like Sanjay's got a works do coming up. And he asked me, did I want to go in town after they'd had the do? And I was like, yeah, sure. But the way things are, I'm not doing it. Ha! Bang bang! Thank you, Mr. Bus Driver. Not risking it. Bloody world's gone mad. I don't know if it's because everybody were in lockdown. I mean, I've said it before, that last week or two. I know when, that's gas. I was starting to really feel it, I really was. And I like to think mentally I'm strong. Oh my god. That was a strong smell of you know what. I don't know why they just don't legalise bloody cannabis and be done with it. Sanjay's missus said, oh, you'll get up there and it'll start raining. It's starting to go very dark. I hope you're wrong, Sheila. Oh, I've missed the lad. Been going to his house and seen him. Because his face was really swollen because of this tooth thing. And he's like, stop making me laugh. And I'm like, I'm not making you. Were coming out with loads of funny stuff. Which I just had to add to. And but it's all gone down now. I think he's 98% pain free, which is nice for him. Oh yeah, happy for him to be out, very happy. So I think I said in my earlier video, Tuesday it's supposed to be bright and sunny, so if it is, I'm going to head off and do the 12-month review on this. Chippy, it looks really, really nice. China Palace. Oh, I'm going to have to try that one day. And no, I don't eat Chinese food. I'm very, very basic on the foods that I eat. But I just love Chinese gravy. Or gravy sauce, is that what they call it? Everybody else likes Chinese food and spicy foods. It's the Grinch! No way. I don't like spicy food, me. Black pepper, it's enough for me. It really is. Anyways folks, I'm just waffling on as per usual. I will catch up with you all later, see if we can get hold of Spencer. As per usual, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye now.